Christian, Corey here. Hey, real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, draw in a lot of new customers as well, and help grow your business here. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Before I get into that, we do want to build out a nice little website so people actually have somewhere to get to, so we can actually apply these 3 free tips, so we can actually draw these leads off of Google. But anyway, first thing I'm going to go over is content. After we have that website laid out, being at about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page, being really authoric in who you are, what you do, plus having that much more content, you can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're actually being found, which I'll get into keywords in just a minute. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in gutter cleaning San Diego, this is what you're going to see. You got ads here at the top. These Google guarantees are supposed to help block out some of those spammy phone calls, like those old school ads are actually becoming very spammy. So a lot of people have been going away with ads. People even put up ad blockers. But underneath this ad section, we have this little map pack here. This map pack, you have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the top 3 where all the traffic actually happens. You can see the multiple businesses, even the multiple pages here as well. But to get to the very top here where all the traffic happens, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in here, go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there, completely annihilate them. Maybe do 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here because of all that work that you've done to your site. Underneath this map pack, we have all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google. And really to get your website here or your back pages or your keywords, whatever you want to say on that part, really to get there comes down to all that content that you've been dealing with, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power to it, so you can get that site on that first page of Google so you can actually draw those leads, right? So if I go inside of this company right here, Clean Pro, whatever, I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is it's a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So this guy, he has 50 referring domains, 290 backlinks, 74 keywords, and 61 clicks to his website. Coming in, we can actually see where those clicks are actually coming from. He has first position here, 31 clicks out of the 80. That's actually a pretty decent ROI for that one keyword. Gutter cleaning San Diego, there's 80 clicks for that one keyword as a total, but he's getting 31 clicks out of the 80 for having that first position on Google. San Diego gutter cleaning, there's another 60 clicks. First position, he's getting 20 clicks out of the 60. Rain gutter cleaning San Diego, 30 clicks. He's third position. He's only getting 4, so that dramatically dropped. And to be honest with you, looking at his site, it's not really easy to navigate either, so it looks like that's where he's losing a lot of this traffic as well. But because it should be a lot higher than that, even on that third position. But coming in here, getting all these keywords, making sure you're doing all your backlinking, also have a nice click to call action so people actually stay on your website. You're going to notice your position is going to be really high, and also you're going to get a lot of phone calls as well from those leads coming in just because of all that work that you've done. It's really going to help grow your business here. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review on this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks, have a good day.